Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the box. This is like the one for women, not for men. This is the box by Fashionsta. Do you want to see what is inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the box just arrived. I hear there was some type of a problem, so they were delayed in shipping this month, so it arrived way later than normal. And I hear a lot of you guys still haven't even got tracking, so you probably will be getting it very soon, or your box should arrive very soon, because I just got mine today. So let's go ahead and dive in here. I already have seen spoilers, so I kind of already know what's in here. They put your mailing label like this, so when I remove it, it does kind of open the box, but I haven't got inside yet. So when you open it up, it does say the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products that you will enjoy plus love. And they do give you a card. Now, this box, they actually give you the pricing. So it gives you the pricing and it says my total retail value of my box is $139. And that's what it looks like when you open it up. Now this box did go from $19.99 to now $24.99, I think it is now. Yes, $24.99 starting in January. So they did go up $5. So if you want to check them out, I will link them down below. If they still have a wait list, then put in your information for the wait list, and as soon as it's lifted, you'll be notified. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see. There's a sticker that says the box by Fashionsta. And then when we cut that open, there's the presentation. All right, you guys, so let me remove these. They use the black squiggly paper and it ends up putting black like residue over every single item in their boxes. So let's go ahead and just start pulling stuff out. The first one here, it looks like it says CLE. It's like, it's on the box, but you can't, it's not like printed. It's just like etched in. It's like stamped into the cardboard. So let's read the card. So CLE, this says it's a multi-cream, $32. This multi-cream is a rich and luxurious multifunctional cream infused with calming Palo Santo essential oils and extracts for moisturizing skin. Ideal for use as a daily moisturizer for all skin types. And it says the multi-cream applies smoothly, absorbs quickly, and leaves no greasy residue on the skin. Apply all over the face, body, and even ends of your hair if needed hydration. I've never had an actual body moisturizer say to put it in your hair, so that's kind of interesting. So this just has the CLE on it and says how to use. Apply the cream to dry areas as needed. The multi-cream can be applied on face and body to reduce dryness. Also can be used for moisturizing ends of your hair and manage flyaways. So you have like an all-purpose little guy over here. Again, this is $32. I do like that it's meant mainly for dry skin, so you can use it like on your elbows, your knees, your heels, your feet, anywhere where you need a little bit of extra moisture, but it's okay to put on your entire body and your hair. So there's item number one, so that's cool. All right, you guys, so item number two, this is Luna by Luna, and this is lip oil. It's a lip oil and it says Queen Lip Oil on there. And Luna by Luna, this is $18. That's what it looks like. Pretty packaging. This lip oil formula is a luxurious treatment oil that transforms lips from dry and damaged to moisturized and hydrated, all while adding just a hint of sheer color. The instant lightweight technology nourishes and hydrates while soothing your lips to give them a natural shine while appearing fuller. I need all the fullness I can get. It looks just like a regular clear balm. I don't even see a color tint to it, but I mean, it does have a slight pink color in the actual package. So it doesn't smell good. It doesn't smell like really anything. So we have a lip oil. That's cool. So we have a lip oil, and again, that's $18. Okay. So now we have an item. This is by Girlactic. I've gotten this a lot in subscription boxes. I do not use liquid eyeliner. I'm afraid of it. I don't know how to use it. I can never get a straight line, so I gave up. So I'll go ahead and set this aside to a future giveaway so one of you guys can enjoy it. And this right here is $20. Favored by many with a Star Beauty Award behind it, the Precise Marker Liner was designed to create a thin or thick cat-winged liner. The tip is soft and precise with a weightless, long-lasting, smudge-proof formula. And it doesn't have a safety seal or a safety seal. This doesn't have like anything on it. I could literally pull the top off, but I don't want to because that's normally when it starts counting down. So I'm gonna keep it on. I'm not gonna show you what the point looks like because this is gonna go to one of you guys. So there's the packaging and it is a black liquid eyeliner. So there's that. Now we have an item by Bang Beauty and this says Kiss Me. This is a lip crown, $18. That's what it looks like. There's the color. And it says this long wearing lip crayon delivers high pigment, rich color that lasts. It locks in hydration, leaving your lips soft after wear. Using one swipe, the Bang Beauty lip crayon delivers full coverage while feeling extremely light to the touch. Lightweight, non-sticky, high pigment, long-lasting, cruelty-free. And I don't really grab my pencil crayon type situation, so I will set this aside for a future giveaway as well. And let's keep on going. Okay, so this I did see in one of their spoilers on their Instagram, and it looks like it is a gold color. It says Gold Revitalizing Gel, 4-in-1 Radiant Face Gel, Mask, Highlighter, Moisturizer, Treatment. And it's really like a gold color, and I'm not hip on the yellow gold color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this in a future giveaway because I know I'm not going to use it, so I'm not even going to open it. But if you wanna see what the package looks like, it's right there. So it's not the full box. There's a little podium under there that it's sitting on, but there's that guy right there. And this is valued at $15. It says an oil-based face gel that works as a sleeping mask, a highlighter, and a 20-minute treatment. So, and a moisturizer to instantly hydrate and tone for post-facial results. So this guy will go in a future giveaway as well because I know I definitely won't use this item. So there's that. All right, so next we have is this guy here. It says, there's something on it that looks, I don't know. So it says step 1, Blackhead Steam Pore Pack. Step 2, it says Pore Original Pack. And I'm not sure, so I guess there's like 2 different things going on in here. This guy is, what brand is this? Kaoleon? I'm not sure how to say that. This is Pore Blackhead Steam Pack and Pore Original Pack Duo, $16. A detoxifying duo featuring a steam mask that opens and deeply cleans pores, then a cooling mask to tighten and maximize the appearance of pores. And if you guys do follow me, I prefer like sheet masks. They're so much easier and they're not messy. When it comes to like liquid putting things on my face, I just don't do it. I don't like the feeling of them on my face. So I will set this one aside as well. And then the last item in here, I have raved about this. I have talked about this. I've done a video on this. I've repurchased this several times and I've got it several times in boxes since. I think I have one of these already in my giveaway pile and I already have a backup in my arsenal because I love this palette. And again, I talk about it all the time. I literally wear this now 4 to 5 times. Before it was more like 5 to 6, but I'm trying to use my other palettes more. So I literally use this 4 to 5 times every single week to do my makeup. So anytime you see me with more of like a burgundy look, it's with this. I absolutely love this palette. I'm almost to the point where I need to just pull out my backup. So now I guess I'll have a backup to my backup. Because when you say you hit pan, this is like the only palette that I've ever hit pan on, and it's in this one, it's in this one, it's in this one. And this one right here is the one I use on my lower lid, so I always dip in with my finger. And right now I'm literally scraping all the edges to try to get some out to put on. So it's about time I let that one go. So I'm gonna need to use this like anytime now, but if you want to see the colors, here are the colors. I use this all over. I put this on the top part up here. I put this one in my crease, and I use this one on my lower lid. And then this one right here is what I put in my far corner to bring out some darkness in the far corner. So my thing right now, all of these, just these right here have hit pan. The other ones I don't touch. I think one time I tried to use the blue. I used the blue. I didn't try. I did use the blue one time, but I'm good with this little C shape right here, and that's what I use all the time. So I'm excited to now, I guess, have another one to my other one that I have as my backup. But I do really, really, really love this palette. And again, I've done a video on it where I did a try on so I can show you guys how I do that look all the time. So I have another one. And this is valued, it should be $20, I believe. Yes, City Limits eyeshadow palette is $20. And that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Did you like the items in it? Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, like I greatly do appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.